Trees hold the topsoil intact with its roots to avert erosion and flooding, while its leaves absorb carbon dioxide to cool our surroundings. Just two of its inestimable benefits that our government holds dear as it engages in a propagation program like this tree planting activity by the PCO and PTV in the La Mesa watershed in Quezon City earlier today, as we hear more from the full story of Gab Humilde Villegas.
The Presidential Communications Office held a tree planting activity today at the La Mesa watershed in Quezon City. Joining the activity were PCO personnel as well as employees from its attached agencies, including Your People's Television. The activity aims to inform employees of the importance of tree planting and environmental protection, as well as to mitigate the effects of climate change. Up to 250 Nara seedlings were planted by the PCO inside the watershed. Besides tree planting, the PCO also conducted a plastic retrieval activity at the watershed. According to PCO Assistant Secretary Rowena Kyoge, the agency wants to convey to the public the importance of everyone's commitment, noting that such activities are held not just in one part of the country but nationwide.
Mahalaga yung commitment ng bawat tao na hindi lang naman natin to ginagawa para sa particular na parte lamang ng Pilipinas, kung hindi sa buong Pilipinas. Ito po ay responsibility nating lahat at yun po ang gusto nating maiparating sa lahat ng tao.
To further expand the reach of said campaign, they also plan to include the importance of environmental protection in their seminars in schools across the country. Meanwhile, for Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DNR-NCR Regional Director Nilo Tamoria, protecting forests and nature should be part of Filipinos' daily lives.
Unang-puno ay isang bahagi lamang. Ang mas mahalaga nito ay ang pag-aalaga o yung tree growing, tree nurturing. Tree planting, tree growing, tree nurturing.
It was in the year 2023 when the PCO last conducted a tree planting activity at the La Mesa watershed. And last year, the agency also held a tree planting activity in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. ASEC Kyoge also has a message for the public.
Hinihiling lang po natin sa bawat Pilipino ay maging aware tayo, maging committed tayo. Kasi ang isang bagay po na commitment natin para magawa ang mga bagay na to, pag pinagsama-sama po, ay mas malaki po yung magiging epekto. At sana'y maging parte na to ng ating pang-araw-araw na buhay.
Gab Humilde Villegas for The Nation.